Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best grooming essentials for your furry friend, the Burt's Bees for Pets Eye and Ear Cleansing Wipes. If you're on the hunt for the best dog eye wipes tear stain cleaner that's actually safe and gentle, this one should be at the top of your list. Let's break down everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. These are no ordinary grooming wipes. This product is designed specifically for dogs, offering dual-use cleaning power for both their eyes and ears. Each pack comes with 100 cleansing wipes, making it ideal for regular spot cleaning. They help remove tear stains, clear ear buildup, and maintain overall hygiene without harsh ingredients. It's from the trusted Burt's Bees for Pets line, known for natural grooming solutions. What makes these wipes stand out is the formulation. They're made with 98% natural origin ingredients and completely fragrance-free. That means no overpowering scents that can irritate your dog's sensitive nose or skin. They contain no sulfates or artificial colorants, which is a huge plus for dogs with allergies or sensitive areas around the eyes. These wipes are incredibly gentle, perfect for puppies and senior dogs alike. Whether you're dealing with tear stains under the eyes or wax and debris in the ears, the wipes are soft yet effective, doing the job without causing discomfort. The packaging is made from 80% post-consumer recycled materials, aligning with Burt's Bees' commitment to sustainability. Let's talk real-world use. These wipes are great for quick cleanups in between baths. If your dog tends to get tear stains around their eyes or is prone to earwax buildup, these are a must-have. Just gently wipe around the eyes, not directly in them, and then use a fresh side of the wipe for the outer ear area. No need to rinse, and you're done in seconds. They're especially useful after outdoor walks, allergy season, or dusty environments. And since they're individually pulled from the container, they stay moist and fresh with every use. But considering the quality and quantity, 100 wipes, it still offers solid value. It's sold and shipped directly by Amazon, so you can count on easy returns and reliable delivery. So if you're looking for a safe, effective, and eco-conscious way to keep your dog's eyes and ears clean, the Burt's Bees Eye and Ear Cleansing Wipes are definitely worth checking out. This is Product Critique, and we hope this review helps you make the best choice for your furry companion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.